Orange. Ignore that, Mr. Bird. I know.
Red. Purple plastic.
Plastic.
Fire.
Fire. What's that called? What's this called? What's this called? Oh, well, not that, but what's that called? You can't touch that. That would hurt.
Purple. Purple.
You want a pine nut? For being a good bird? Pine nut? Yeah? Good, I'll get the pine nut.
A snack. Okay. Another snack. Purple.
Purple? What about wood? Wood.
Purple plastic.
Purple plastic. Is that too dark?
Fresh water.
I do have one more
Over
pine
there.
nut. You want another pine nut?
Look. Purple plastic. What? Fresh water. Or a stash. Purple plastic. Fresh water. What is? What? Purple bottle? Fire. Purple plastic. What? Orange. Purple plastic. Purple plastic. Purple plastic. Fresh water?
Maybe some birds will come by, Apollo.
Purple plastic. Fresh water. Purple snap. It's a bird. Oh, look. What?
What?
Purple plastic.
Purple plastic?
Want a snack? Want a snack? What? No snack. Purple plastic. Want a snack? Want a snack?